Mariah 20 foot 2009 as a brand new boat, new full upholstery, brand new upholstery, courtesy lights, electrical horn, stunning design, maneuverable, very speedy boat, new fresh anti-fouling, brand new anti-fouling, American ski tower made by Bayliner, nice top bimini, Mer Cruiser Alpha Drive, fresh serviced, new bellows, new anode skids, new gear oil, original Mariah swimming platform, extended swimming platform, hull in a very great condition, brand new cockpit, sound system, a Bluetooth Pioneer stereo, and here is the engine hatch. Life jackets, safety equipment, and the most important 5.0 MPI Mer Cruiser with 190 hours on engine only. 190 hours from the computer diagnosis, 190 hours on a 5.0 V8 260 horsepower engine, fully serviced, engine oil, gear oil, oil filter, fuel filter, spark plugs, tensioner belts, a new gel deck, a gel battery, a new throttle cable, a new starter, a new alternator. All of them are brand new. When we say brand new, that means it's a sealed pack, brand new parts, upholstery recently done. So it's a new made upholstery, but the parts are brand new parts in the engine compartment. It's for sale, powered by Fadi Marine. Yes.